What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. It's finally come. So I've ordered my Alcantara wheel cover. So it's full Alcantara on the whole wheel. In the middle there's a red leather center stripe as well, and I've gone with all red stitching all around just to go with the red theme I'm going with the car. But yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to actually install that and remove the wheel as well. So let's just get into it. So guys, the trick to get the airbag off is you have to get a flathead screwdriver like this, and there'll be a hole, so this hole here will be on the wheel itself, so you've got to push your flathead in like that. You can see it coming here. When it gets in, it has to twist up to go against this, so you see that silver piece moving, and that pries the little clips in here, which obviously the airbag holds into right here and here, and then you do it on both sides and then it will pop out. Once you've got that off, you just need to get this off with say 17mm I believe. So I'm just going to go and take that off now for you as well. So the wheel's now off. Took the 17mm bolt out, and it's literally just a case of taking it off the actual hinge itself. So now I'm going to take this in, I'm going to take this all apart, and then I'll be able to start wrapping it. So guys, I've brought the wheel inside. What I need to do is take everything off, as I said in the last clip. So it's going to be a T20 screw you're going to use. There's a T20 here, so that silver one there, that silver one in the corner, and then if you flip the wheel over, there'll be a T20 here, T20 here, and T20 here. So I'm just going to remove those, and I'll show you what it looks like straight after. Now that's the centerpiece off, so what you're going to need to do is take away your volume controls and your cruise control buttons as well. To do this, you just literally have to just slot it up like that, and that comes out of place. With the wires, they're going to be held in places like here. You literally just slot them out, but with this piece here, you'll lift it out, and here there'll be another T20, so that little black one there, you'll just screw that out and that'll pop out like so. And then once you've got that all off, you just have the bare wheel, so I'll show you guys. So here it is. It's full Alcantara, as I said, red center stripe with red stitching, and so you get that in the case. You also get this little kit. You get like a little orange pry tool, you get the actual stitching itself and the needle, you get a backup one as well. And that silver thing's just to protect your fingers, and that's double-sided tape as well, just to hold it in place while you're doing it. Also, you get instructions as well, so I'll just quickly open this up. And it shows you everything there, and some on the back as well. But yeah, I'm just going to line everything up and then crack on with it. Okay guys, so it's all lined up. What I'm going to do, well, I was going to just try and free sew it, but I'm just going to tape it down now just to make sure like all the edges don't start moving when I'm actually sewing it. So it'd be better, so I'll just take that in and then I'll get the sewing on the go, but I'll show you guys once that's done. Yeah guys, so what I'm doing is I'm starting, as I said, with sewing from the top. I'll start from one of the corners and round. So all I've done is I've stuck some tape here and here as well, just to obviously get it stuck down, make sure it's not moving any places. So I'm going to crack on with the sewing now, and then I'll update you guys midway through. Okay guys, so halfway progress. So the top's all being stitched up. Obviously a few discrepancies. I actually got frustrated with it as the instructions weren't making sense to me at all. So I actually got my girlfriend to do it, and she'll be completing the rest of the wheel anyway. So literally just got this bit to do and this part, and then I'll be able to obviously piece together the wheel and bang it back on and show you guys. Okay guys, so she's actually finished it now. She's literally done the whole wheel. All I've been doing is holding it, as I've been completely useless with this mod. All I need to do now is obviously screw everything back together. So it's just be a reverse of the process that I showed you at the start. Then obviously put it back into the car, put the airbag in, and that should be complete. But I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like as well. Okay guys, so I've just put the wheel back on. This is exactly how it's looking at the moment. Looks really good. I do like it, but realistically, I'll be truthful, I would not recommend doing this yourself. It is absolutely solid, but you know, it does, as I said, it does look good on the actual wheel itself. What I'm going to do as well is get some more shots for you for tomorrow in the day. As I said, there's a few discrepancies, so you can see risers there, but you know, it's a minor. It's only cost I think it's like £20. As usual, I'll leave a link in the description, but I'll show you guys this in the daylight. So guys, it's the next day. Obviously it's afternoon now, and this is exactly what the wheel looks like. I like it. I like it a lot. Considering it's her first time as well, she's done a good job. Obviously there's a few wrinkles here, as I explained, a few discrepancies in the stitching, but it's a very, very good effort, and I do like the centre stripe as well. As usual, I'll leave a link in the description as to where I got the wheel from, or the wheel cover, sorry. I've just ordered a few days ago, ordered an Android unit, so that's going to be the next video on the channel. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.